Hi guys, and welcome to the bakery. And today's video is going to be making home baked Viennese biscuits. And well, we'll get on with it. Right, in this bowl I've got sugar, and in this bowl I've got margarine, and here we've got some ordinary white flour. Right, we'll put the butter in, or the margarine, whichever the case may be, into the bowl, and in goes the sugar. On the beater. As you can see, I don't use this very often. And put it onto first speed. And knock it up to second speed. You're mixing this so it's actually a light. It should take about 3 or 4 minutes. Now we'll scrape it down. Now we'll gradually add in the flour. Scraping down. Now we'll add in the rest of the flour. almost ready. Fill the piping bag. And there we go, all ready for baking. And now we'll bake the Viennese. Right, you bake your Viennese at home in an oven at around about 385 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit. And it should take around about 15 minutes to bake. Right, we'll lay out the Viennese. Right, and what we're going to do now is cover these with, well, one side with Nutella or other alternative type fudges. You can actually use buttercream, whatever you like really, but I use a chocolate fudge. Again, it's very, very similar to Nutella. And there's the Nutella. What we'll do now, we'll just pop it in the microwave and warm it down. Well, I usually pipe it on, but today I'm going to show you doing it this way. On the base. Right, we'll just dip these. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Do subscribe and do share. At the bottom of most of these videos I'm doing now, I'm aiming to do recipes for the home baker. So you can actually bake along with the baker. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!